Hello, my dear children. Good morning, you all. Now, I am going to teach you my next chapter of your chemistry, chemical bonding and molecular structure. This is the fourth chapter of your course. In this chapter, first of all, we study about the valency. What is valency? Valency is the number of electrons lost or gained by an atom to complete its octet. Means you know that all noble gases contain 8 electrons in valence shell except helium. Helium contains only 2 electrons and rest of the noble gases like neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, etc. all have 8 valence electrons. And those elements which have 8 valence electrons have stable configuration. Hence, they do not lose or gain electrons. Helium contains only 2 electrons and it completes its duplet, whereas all these elements have complete their octet. All elements wants, or you can say tends to complete their octet. This is called octet rule. All elements tends to complete their octet, wants to complete their octet. This is called octet rule. Those elements which do not have 8 valence electrons, means there are no 8 electrons in valence shell, then those elements either lose or gain or shares its electron with other element and complete its octet. The number of electrons, what is valency? The number of electrons lost or gain by an element to complete octet is called valency of that element. See here, for example, 11Na, the configuration will be 281. To complete its octet, sodium loses 1 electron and hence the valency will be 1. 13Al, configuration will be 283. Aluminium loses 3 electrons to complete its octet and hence the valency will be 3. 8 oxygen, 2,6. Oxygen contains 6 valence electrons, hence it has tendency to complete octet by gaining 2 electrons, hence the valency will be 2. 17 chlorine, 287. This element accepts 1 electron, gains 1 electron, hence the valency will be 1. Means, what is valency? The number of electrons losses or gained by an element to complete its octet is called valency of that element. Okay? This is about the valency. Now, I am going to discuss about the various types of bonds formed by various elements. Now I am going to discuss about the chemical bond. What is chemical bond? The elements which do not have 8 valence electrons tends to complete octet by combining with other element. And forms a bond. Means, why bond is formed? The bond is formed to complete its octet. The bonds are mostly of 3 types. First one is ionic, or you can say electrovalent bond. Second one is covalent bond, and third one is coordinate, or you can say dative bond. Means chemical bonds are of three types: ionic, covalent, and coordinate. Why bond is formed? Bond is formed to complete its octet. All elements have tendency to complete octet. They require electrons by losing or gaining to complete octet. These bonds are of three types: ionic or electrovalent bond, covalent bond, and third one is coordinate or dative bond. Before starting these types of bonds, I want to tell you about one more thing. Those elements, yes, here number of valence electrons. Valence electrons means outermost electrons, and it depends on valency. If valence electrons are 1, then the valency will also be 1. If valence electrons are 2, valency is 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. If the valence electrons are 4, means outermost shell contains 4 electrons, then the valency will also be 4. If outermost shell contains 5 electrons, then the valency will be not 5, it will be 3. Means this element requires 3 electrons to complete octet. If valence shell contains 6 electrons, then the valency will be what? 2. Yeah, okay. If valence electrons are 7, then the valency will be 1. If valence electrons are 8, then what will be valency? 0. Those elements which have 8 outermost electrons are noble gases. They show 0 valency, means they do not combine by losing or gaining electrons. If there are more than 8 electrons in valence shell, is it possible? No, it's not possible. Never more than 8 electrons are present in valence shell or outermost shell. Okay? This is about the number of valence electrons and valency. Okay? This is about chemical bond. In my next lecture, I will discuss about the ionic bond, covalent bond, and covalent bond. Okay? Thank you.